Did you know that a cat's purr falls within a frequency range that has potential therapeutic effects? Read, it's true. The purring sound typically ranges between 25 and 150 hertz. This calming vibration is believed to promote healing. It's not just about contentment, it's like having a furry vibrating wellness companion. Studies suggest that the frequencies of a cat's purr can positively impact bone density, stimulate tissue healing, and may even release those feel-good endorphins. So next time your cat curls up and starts to purr, know that it's not just about love, it's a purr-sonal healing session. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.